We're going to start today with chapter 5. I'm going to show you example 5.1. But first we need to know the rule. Adding numbers with like signs from page 128. Example 5.1 says add. A gives us -8 plus a -7. If we read the rule, adding numbers with like signs, it tells us to add the absolute value and apply the common sign. So what we would do is the absolute value of -8 equals 8. The absolute value of -7 equals 7. We would add those and apply the common sign, which is -15. So the answer is -15. B gives us a +10 plus a +21. Again, we would take the absolute value of 10, which equals 10, the absolute value of 21, which equals 21, add those together, and it gives you a +31, which we write it simply as 31. C is a -6.2 plus a -10.4. The absolute value of -6.2 equals 6.2. The absolute value of -10.4 equals 10.4. We would add in line with your decimal and apply the common sign. This would equal -16.6. D has you adding 0 plus 9.6. The absolute value of 0 is 0. The absolute value of 9.6 is 9.6. We would add these together, apply the common sign. Our answer is 9.6. And finally, we have -1/2 plus -1/2. Because we have fractions, we have to make sure we have a common denominator. So the absolute value of -1/2 and the absolute value of -1/2, they each equal 1/2. We would add those. These are a common denominator. Common means it stays all the way through the problem. We add the numerator. We would get 2/2, which is 1. But we need to apply the common sign, which is negative. So we would equal a -1.